guys, I'm TopsyCatTech Repair, and today I'm gonna have to change the color of the LED of my big Toshiba mouse that I bought on Shopee. But I just already take apart this mouse so that I can install this blue LED light bulb. Yes, LED diode. It's not a bulb, it's a diode. So as you can see, I just take apart the mouse. It's like this. Now we're gonna have to work around. For the reflector, we're gonna have to remove this and keep them for safekeeping. We'll put them in the safe place so that we don't accidentally get them by my soldering iron. Anyway, so once my soldering iron is switched on, it's time for me to desolder the LED carefully waiting without trying to put my hands in knockers. Wait, so here goes nothing. Try not to burn my hand. I do order a soldering wick, but yes, there you go. Our red LED is out, so we'll swap this with this small compact bright blue LED. Yes, for that matter, I'll call that a Blu-ray LED. Just bend this into shape. So do note to keep the polarity correct. Be sure the anode side of the diode is in the right spot, guys. It's marked right here at the PCB. So we have to do some soldering first. I'll be right back. Our LED is already installed in our circuit board, so I'm gonna have to give this a real world test to see if this one works or it fails. Works. See? The mouse is working now properly. So I hope you will try this project out for yourself. This project has been heavily inspired by Diode Gone Wild. So I hope this project helps someone. So until next time, this is me, TopsyCatTech Repair, signing off.